Hello students, today's our topics are positive work done by system, negative work done by system, work done by gas and first law of thermodynamics, and last topic is thermodynamic process, isothermal process. There are four processes: isothermal process, isobaric process, isochoric process and adiabatic process. So today's our first topic is work done by a system, whether it is positive or negative. See, for this, consider a thermodynamic system consisting of some quantity of a gas enclosed in a cylinder. This is the cylinder. And consider a system, thermodynamic system consisting of some quantity of gas enclosed in a cylinder fitted with a movable, massless and frictionless piston. This is the piston and this is a massless and frictionless and movable piston. This diagram shows the positive work done by system and piston moves out. मोशन ऑफ पिस्टन कैसे है इसमें moves out. तो इसमें क्या होता है, अगर ये पिस्टन आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन में पुल किया तो क्या होता है देखेंगे. ड्यूरिंग expansion of the gas molecules collide with the piston, lose their momentum to it and exert a pressure on it. As a result, this piston moves through a finite distance. और इसमें क्या होता है कि वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज होता है. अगर पिस्टन आउटवर्ड साइड में मूव किया तो ये वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस सिलेंडर increases. How? Here the gas does a positive work on the piston and this increases in the volume of the gas. Volume of gas increase होता है and gas does a positive work on the piston. And the work done by the piston on the gas is negative. And during compression, see in this diagram, यहाँ पे क्या किया है कि piston moves inward direction. Motion of piston कैसे है, in inward direction. ठीक है. This diagram shows the negative work done by a system. क्या होता है during compression, अगर piston को inward side में push किया तो क्या होता है, compression होता है वहाँ पे. During compression of the gas, molecules colliding with the piston and gain momentum from it. During compression, the gas molecules colliding with the piston and after colliding it gains momentum from it and the piston moving inward. The piston moving inward through a finite distance exerts a force on the gas. पिस्टन मूव करने के बाद इनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव किया तो क्या होता है कि एट अ फाइनाइट डिस्टेंस क्या होता है, इट एक्सर्ट्स अ फोर्स ऑन द गैस. हियर द गैस डज अ नेगेटिव वर्क ऑन द पिस्टन. गैस does a negative work on the piston and there is a decrease in volume of the gas. During compression of the gas क्या होता है, there is a decrease in the volume of the gas. That's why the work done by the piston on the gas is positive. Next topic is expression for the work done by a gas. Again here, for this we have considered a system consisting of some quantity of gas enclosed in a cylinder fitted with a movable and massless and frictionless pistons. आपको यही सिलेंडर कंसिडर करना है. कैसे, some quantity of gas enclosed in this cylinder and fitted with a movable and massless and frictionless piston. During expansion of the gas molecules colliding with the piston, during expansion क्या होता है, अगर ये पिस्टन आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन से मूव किया तो इसमें क्या होता है, एक्सपांशन होगा. एंड दिस ड्यूरिंग एक्सपांशन ऑफ द गैस क्या होता है, मॉलिक्यूल्स कोलाइडिंग विद द पिस्टन, मॉलिक्यूल्स कोलाइड होते हैं पिस्टन से, इम्पार्ट मोमेंटम टू द पिस्टन. हियर द टाइम रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम इज द force, this force exerted by the gas on the piston. यहाँ पे force exert हो रहा है and this force is the time rate of change of momentum. Okay, and this is the dx. dx क्या है, dx is the displacement of the piston. ये outward direction से move किया तो यहाँ पे expansion होता है. ठीक है, the work done by the gas dW equals to F into dx, force into displacement. Here dx is the displacement of the piston, and if A is the area of cross section of the piston, this A is the area of cross section of the piston, and the pressure exerted by the gas is force per unit area, P equals to F upon A. Now from this equation we will get F equals to P into A, PA. Hence the work done dW equals to P into A dx. Okay, now A into dx is the increase in the volume. We will get here P into dV, and whereas dV equals to A into dx is the increase in the volume of the gas, and dx is the dx क्या है, dx क्या है, infinitesimal displacement of the piston, very small displacement, and dV is the infinitesimal increase in the volume of the gas. Now Vi is the consider Vi is the initial volume of the gas and Vf is the final volume of the gas. Therefore, the total work done by the gas is moving the piston is given by W equals to integration of Vi to Vf into P into dV. Integrated this equation, we will get the total work done W. Now, by integrating this equation, we will get here W equals to P in bracket Vf minus Vi, and this equation shows the change in volume in this case, and change in volume is very small. Now, first law of thermodynamics क्या है? According to the law of thermodynamics, the statement is the change in the internal energy of a system, internal energy of a system is delta U, is the difference between the heat supplied to the system Q and the work done by the system on its surrounding is W. Mathematically, it can be written as delta U equals to Q minus W, which is the same as Q equals to delta U plus W. ये दो इक्वेशंस सेम है. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन का मीनिंग क्या है वो देखेंगे. डेल्टा U equals to Q minus W, and this equation tells that the change in the internal energy of a system is the difference between the heat supplied to the system and the work done by the system on its surrounding. इक्वेशन क्या है? Change in the internal energy. Delta U is the change in internal energy of the system. Difference between the heat supplied to the system. Q is the heat supplied to the system and W is the work done by the system on its surrounding. And Q equals to delta U plus W means when the amount of heat Q is added to a system, its internal energy is increased by an amount delta U, and the remaining is lost in the form of work done W on the surrounding. This is the first law of thermodynamics. Next is thermodynamic process. Thermodynamic process क्या है? See, a thermodynamic process is a procedure by which the initial state of a system changes to its final state. For example, water contained in a vessel with a lid on it is an system, open system. When the pot is heated externally, क्या होता है? Water starts boiling after some time and steam is produced, which exerts pressure on the wall of the vessel. क्या होता है? After when the pot is heated externally, water start boiling after some time and steam is produced. That steam exerts a pressure on the wall of the vessel. In this case, the state of the water in the container is changed. State of water क्या होती है? Change होती है. This is because the temperature T, volume V and pressure P of the water inside the vessel change when it starts boiling. This is the thermodynamic process. During such a change, there may be a transfer of heat into the system from its surrounding or environment. Okay. See, for example में क्या होता है कि heat may be released from the system to its environment, and these changes should occur infinitesimally slow so that the system is always in thermodynamic equilibrium. So first process is isothermal process. Isothermal process क्या है वो देखेंगे. A process in which changes in pressure and volume of a system takes place at a constant temperature is called as isothermal process. Isothermal process में temperature constant है, pressure and volume may be changes. For such system, delta T equals to 0. Change in temperature क्या है? 0 means constant temperature. An isothermal process is a constant temperature process. For example, melting of ice, which takes place at constant temperature, is an isothermal process. It is called as an isotherm also. For this, consider n moles of a gas enclosed in a cylinder fitted with a movable massless and frictionless piston. This figure shows the PV diagram of an isothermal process. Pressure volume diagram of an isothermal process. Any change of phase occurs at a constant temperature and therefore is an isothermal process. Assuming the gas to behave as an ideal gas, we have PV equals to nRT. You know this equation, and PV equals to nRT equals to constant, ST is constant, and R is the universal gas constant. For an isothermal process or isothermal change, we have PIVI equals to PFVF equals to constant. PIVI is the initial pressure, initial volume equals to final pressure and final volume. Consider the isothermal expansion of an ideal gas. VI is the initial volume and VF is the final volume. Now, the work done in an infinitesimally small isothermal expansion is dW equals to P into dV. Small work done equals to dW equals to P into dV. Therefore, the total work done by the gas, integrating this equation, we will get here W total work done by the gas equals to integration of VI to VF into P into dV. And you know that for an ideal gas, V of PV equals to nRT and P equals to nRT upon V, this equation. Substitute this in equation W equals to integration of VI to VF of P into dV, like this. W we will get here W equals to nRT is constant, that's why nRT ऐसे इंटीग्रेशन के बाहर लिखना है, and integration of VI to VF is dV upon V. We can write 1 upon V into dV also. So W equals to nRT, and this is the natural logarithmic logarithm of VF upon VI. So this is the expression of work done in the isothermal process. Thank you.